and thank you so much for joining us again. कुछ दिन पहले मैं टीवी पे एक इंटरव्यू देख रही थी और उसमें there were a couple of ladies sitting and I'm sure they were over 40 and they were talking about ages or not showing their ages and how conscious some people get about their ages, especially after you go closer to 40s or after 40s. तो जैसे हम सब फ्रेंड्स हर चीज के ऊपर बात करते हैं तो इसी तरह हमने सोचा कि क्योंकि हम भी माशाल्लाह some people don't look like it but we are all 40 plus
खोल रही हो सारे पोल खोल
so but you know the good thing is that we own it right and
right.
we're very confident about that
Of
thing.
course.
And that's the whole point because I wanted to talk about that how we all take it and how people should take it so
I think सबसे पहले तो बहुत ज़रूरी है कि we understand that these changes are natural, right? कि every decade, I think जब हम 29 की थी, 30 आने वाला था, I personally was like, oh my God, I'm going to be 30. Then जब 40 आने वाला था, again, it was I think I was less concerned because I felt that this is a very natural transition or because हमें condition किया जाता है, women across the world, to feel bad about aging.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're supposed to feel bad about yourself. कि 40 आ रहा है तो बस अब खत्म हो गया.
It's very unforgiving for us women.
We don't forgive ourselves.
We don't
We
forgive
don't,
ourselves,
yeah.
no.
तो I think सबसे पहले तो उस change को embrace करना जरूरी है.
Very much so,
Admit
yes.
करके और उसको embrace करो कि yes, this is it and this is me going into the next decade of my life.
And saying that, embrace ये भी करना चाहिए कि जो आप 20 में थे वो आप 40 में नहीं होंगे.
Yes.
ठीक है ना.
Very
So एक
important.
इमेज हमारे माइंड में होता है कि मैं ये कपड़े फिट आते थे और मैं ऐसी होती नहीं होंगे because you are evolving. It's a constant evolving, constant change in your body, physically, mentally, emotionally.
yeah.
तो अगर आप constantly change होंगे तो आप कैसे होंगे जैसे आप 20s में थे. आप 20s में तो we're totally different person. आप personality wise भी totally different थे.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
40s में आप कैसे वही person होंगे, right? तो it has to be and अगर आप उस evolvement को accept करें and then it gets very easy or slightly easier to move forward. आप अपने 40s में ज़्यादा कुछ confident हो जाते हैं कि this is the person I am today. You know, this is who I am.
और इसमें ये भी है कि हमारे moms ने या parents ने, I mean, of course this applies to men as well. Like they grow older, like we all grow older and wiser. Like our parents never spoke about aging or the struggles that they were facing.
I agree. Yes.
So for me specifically, I ensure that we have these conversations at home where I tell them, okay, I'm going through these changes in my body. Like if sometimes you go through the changes, not through just how you look,
Physical,
but
yeah.
also like your thought process
Process changes,
Everything.
right?
you know. And it's just as it could sometimes be a really, really like a scary kind of a place.
Yeah.
Of course. Because देखो ना 35 के बाद तो evolvement इतनी जल्दी होती है आपकी hair they start falling, okay? आपकी skin dryness होने लगती है, hot flashes थोड़े से लोगों को जल्दी आना शुरू हो जाते हैं. weight gain
Falling से
होना
पहले
शुरू हो
great बाल आना शुरू हो जाते हैं, right? तो
weight gain होना शुरू हो जाता है. And then people always when they come up to me कि what's happening from a sort of nutrition point of view, they always say कि like मैं पहले तो नहीं होता था ऐसे अब क्यों हो रहा है. ओ भाई आप पहले वो एज में ही थे ना, आप तो यंगर थे, आप ओल्डर में जा रहे हैं तो चेंज तो डेफिनेटली होगा. एंड another thing that I want to just add कि you cannot eat the same way you were eating when you were 20. Like 20.
Just like everything, you don't wear the same makeup,
You can't. You can't.
right?
You can't.
Fashion, exactly. I remember one of my teacher, I think she was my either Urdu teacher or something. I remember she once said that because we were just like a home economics class or something, and she was discussing the same thing that women and mostly women they get conscious when they grow old, and she said that she was at that point where she said I wear my wrinkles as a badge of my life, right? That and it's totally up to you how you're gonna take it, and trust me, if we don't take it in a positive way. And just feel it as another phase of your life and enjoy it because these grays also have the grace. These wrinkles also have, some kind of beauty and
Yeah. I also say too, and I always say this to the three of you as well, that I wish we looked at ourselves the way we look at each other. Because we look at each other with so much love,
Yeah.
and we're so unforgiving and critical and
खुद-
harsh to ourselves. जबकि ऐसा है नहीं, होना नहीं चाहिए.
And we always encourage and
Yeah.
appreciate each other when it comes.
Oh,
और
yeah.
actually, to an extent, हम तो एक दूसरे को डांट भी देते हैं कि ये
हाँ,
नहीं ठीक है, right?
Well, if I talk about the 40s, other
Yeah,
than the
learn क्या करते हैं?
physical and emotional changes and all of those things, you also एक life stage होता है. Your kids are growing up. They don't need you that much anymore as
Yeah.
a mother, and I know that you have a lot to say about that because you're
Yeah.
going through something. So
I have like 3 daughters who are in university now, so it was a very like difficult transition.
You have to say the line. तुम क्या कहती हो कि बच्चियां, मेरी बेटियां
क्या बोलूं?
घर से चली गई something?
हाँ, वो चली गई हैं, वो मुझे छोड़ के
छोड़ के नहीं गई. I love that part. Yeah.
Like they've just moved on,
Mm.
like they've emancipated, and
Yeah.
I also have to like cut those cords and emancipate myself.
yes.
Yes.
Because just being a mother is not my only identity, like
Mm.
or identity of so many women, because we feel lost. We have
Yeah.
invested so much time and energy, our heart and soul, like everything. We have
Everything
just-
becomes.
It becomes,
Children.
and it's more.
Yeah.
I feel like it's more with South Asian women more so. Like we have not created any boundaries. We have never thought of ourselves. But also there is always a hope or there's a light at the end of the tunnel, just because it can be amazing, like how we all have more time, we are trying new things in life. We are not like, we have kids, we have younger kids too, but at least they are sufficient enough that our spouses and our families allow us to give us that time now where we can
Yeah.
explore new things, we can travel together, you can try new things in life. So there's hope as well.
Yeah, and they become like, it's so good to enjoy your kids as your friends. They become your friends, right?
Eventually.
You ask for their advice, sometimes makeup के लिए, sometimes even with boys.
Yeah.
Like especially I think with boys it's more because बेटियां थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा critical हो जाती हैं.
Oh, yes.
I know my daughter says, Mama, I think it's a little too much. But when my son comes, he's like, yeah, you look good and all
Yeah,
that.
my boys,
So I
yeah.
like that thing. Watching movies with them, you know, and or watching movies with friends, because हमारे साथ एक बहुत अच्छी चीज हुई जो हमने later on discover भी की कि I think for us to have each other as good friends, and I'm sure और भी बहुत सारे लोगों की अच्छी friends होती हैं, but how important and how valuable
Yes.
that thing in our
Yes.
lives is, right? Because we all have been through, as everybody, through different tragedies, through different,
through different stages
struggles,
of,
right?
And struggles of growing up through your 20s, and we've been friends for more than almost 2 decades.
2 decades. Yeah.
So I think it's so important to value those people in your life, and जो time की जो commodity है वो हमें उनके साथ ही गुजारनी चाहिए that add value to your life, and I think it's so important to transition through this new decade, because we're going to get into another decade inshallah at some point.
Yeah.
But to have each other and to have those things other than children and other than work, even work, to be able to spend time doing the things you
I
love.
think it's an investment in yourself to have a beautiful or just a support system with you is an investment.
It really helps you.
Because living in the West and away from home already, it's not a luxury. Friendship is not it's a necessity.
It's a necessity.
Yep.
And you really have to choose your friends very
It has to be
wisely.
worth it.
It has to be worth it.
it.
Because everyone's so busy, nobody has time. So when they make time for you, then that means that they're investing themselves in this friendship.
Yeah, and it also shows how special you are for them.
Exactly.
They're
Yeah.
taking that time away from their daily, tasks, routine, and it works both ways.
Because Pakistan तो है नहीं कि if I'm coming to your house, पीछे मेरा घर मेरे helpers साफ कर रहे हैं, वो सब खाना पक रहा है, सब कुछ.
Nah, I wish it
No,
was like
I have
that,
left
but it's
everything.
not. We have
I
to
wish-
home, I wish
yeah.
it was like that, but it's not.
Yeah.
But
But that's
I
the
find
reality.
spending time with you, तो मैं सब पीछे चीजें इकट्ठी हो रही हैं, वो
Of course.
backlog बन रहा है, which I will be handling it off once I will go back, or once you get free from me, you will have to get back to your routine, right?
Yeah.
जैसे
But like
पिछले
so-
दिनों हम मिले थे, मैं तो लेट नाइट की किचन का तवा बर्बाद हुआ था, सत्यानाश। मैं
Yeah,
कहा
yeah.
लाइट बंद करो और जाके सो जाओ। I will deal with it the
In the
next morning.
morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's also you embracing the new you and embracing the fact that you don't have to, you don't want to do this right
No,
now. You don't
yeah,
want
exactly.
to clean up. Meanwhile, in our 20s, हम सारा वक्त यही करते रहते
नहीं, हाँ.
30s भी?
30s भी सफाइयाँ. You know what? Give yourself a break.
Absolutely.
Be kind to yourself.
Be kind to yourself.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
बहुत ज़रूरी
Because
है.
करना तो आप नहीं है. करना तो आपने, कोई नहीं आ रहा करने.
And another evolution, since we're talking about evolution, मैं पुरानी तस्वीरें अपनी पता नहीं कहाँ से निकली, सफाई कर रही थी, क्या कर रही थी, तो मेरी कॉलेज की और हाई स्कूल की तस्वीरें थी और मैं डर गई उनको देख के। मुझे किसी ने क्यों नहीं बताया कि ये क्या कर रही हो तुम खुद के साथ. But now that I think about
अगर
it,
किसी को खुद पता होता
खुद पता होता तो. But all of us had those bronze
Same.
lipsticks.
Yeah,
Everybody
definitely.
remembers
Bronze
that?
lipsticks और वो जो पट्टा गले में
गले का
चोकर
पट्टा
और आंखों की पता नहीं
काजल or like
काजल,
something.
but like आंख नहीं नजर आ रही.
हाँ, emo makeup.
Emo makeup हुआ हुआ है बिल्कुल.
Oh.
It was a
Those were the
disaster.
days.
It was a
That's an
disaster.
evolution.
That's
Like, I
an
feel I've
evolution.
even evolved in the last decade. You guys
बिल्कुल,
know
definitely.
since you've known me for so many years.
Yeah.
तो अगर देखा जाए तो इसको तो मैं क्या बोलते हैं हम इस phase को अर्ज किया है phase. I do this whole poetry thing. So I see myself evolving, like my fashion sense,
Of
right?
course.
I mean, I think all of us.
All of us
responds to
have,
it.
yeah.
I think there is also an understanding कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो चीज़ किसी और पे अच्छी लगेगी वो आप पे भी अच्छी लगेगी.
बिल्कुल.
Very true.
हाँ,
Very
that's-
true.
And then also embracing how as if like you're not like थोड़ी देर तुम पहले कह रही थी कि you're not 20 anymore and your body changes as well. तो उससे फिर fashion you have to just like also pivot every time you are going through like different cycles of evolution, mind, body, and spirit. So
Yeah.
you're also changing your sense of fashion accordingly.
Definitely.
I remember when I moved outside of Pakistan, my first Western introductions, and my body shocks. I went to one of these, fast fashion stores, and I bought a skirt क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि मैं बड़ी fashionable हो गई, तो मैंने जरा skirt पहनी हूँ. And then a blazer on top. Who wears like a blazer? Like I was just going to a party, and on top of which I was wearing ankle boots.
Oh,
And when I looked at
Because
that,
you thought it's
it was
Canada,
a
it has to be
disaster.
it's
disaster.
the fashion disaster.
Oh my
across
god,
the
it
board.
was so bad, but it's okay. Like,
but I think it's
But we
innocent.
carried it well. I mean,
Yeah.
I carried it well. I was very confident at
Yeah.
that time. I mean, now when I look back, I'm scared that I actually did, those pictures, I should burn them. but yeah, that was innocence. That was,
Yeah,
that
I
was
think.
us. That was
Because I think, Jesse, fashion is something that you can buy. Style you can.
Oh,
yes.
It has to be by your birth, right? It's something
Either
in
you
your
have it or
nature.
you don't.
You have it
in
or
your
you
blood.
don't.
It's
Yeah.
very
It's
true.
like when I say, like, जैसे हम लोगों में से कोई भी आके कोई अच्छी चीज पहन रहा होता है, and then you're like, what are you wearing? Where did you get it from? And then at the end of the day, you're like shocked because you're thinking, oh my god, ये तो बहुत ही कोई जबरदस्त, कोई
हाँ.
high end store से चीज होगी. And then I always say, it's not the brand, it's me.
We are the-
we are the brand.
brand.
It's because
Yeah.
you make it
You
your
own it.
own, and
Yes.
you bring your own
Yeah.
sense of style into it.
Yep.
And I find all of us have a very different sense of style.
Very distinct sense of
Very,
style.
very.
So
and
the
it's very distinct, and it's funny how when we हमारी कितनी तस्वीरें हैं साथ
हाँ.
different. I mean, it's from years and decades की तस्वीरें
I
हैं जिसमें हम
know.
पांचों खड़े हैं, and we all have a different sense of style. I mean, the theme might have been the same, but we all look so different.
team जो बोला, like अभी जो last birthday हमने attend की थी, I think all of us looked amazing, mashallah.
Oh yeah, the mob vibes
Mob
theme.
vibes, right?
Wives,
But
yeah.
we each carried it as
was
our own. It was amazing.
I know,
Yeah,
it is
it
the
was a fun
cutest
night.
thing. And you know how people get actually excited when they see us,
Yeah.
right? Sometimes we think that, oh, we look funny. When we are talking to each other, we're like, we don't want to
Over
look.
हो गया
end up
है,
looking
ज़्यादा
हाँ.
हो गया,
हाँ.
हाँ.
Lekin hame, everybody, they come and they appreciate and, always comment and praise us. So, and the thing is, because we all brought our own colors
We
in
always
that,
do,
right? It's a mob vibe theme. Now, how many different kinds of mob vibes
Yeah.
can be there,
Yeah.
right? And we all look different.
And उसमें ये भी है कि we sometimes even mix and match. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि if there's an event, you go and buy something new.
No,
or you buy
no,
something
no,
really
no.
expensive.
You're very good at that.
Yeah, I always like to recreate
Yeah.
all
She
things,
does a
mix
great
and
job.
match.
Yeah.
Yeah.
और इस तरह से like even when you can recreate and recycle
Yeah.
outfits, you can do the same with music.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
लेटेस्ट गाना सुना है जो अभी आया है अली जफर और
मैंने भी नहीं सुना कूक
मैंने
स्टूडियो
सुना
का
नहीं, I don't think it's Coke Studio. I think it's just
Some other label.
So
like a single,
is it an
like-
older song that they have?
it's an older song that they've revamped.
Which one?
See, I have issues with that.
Tell
Okay,
me,
so,
tell me what
so
your issues
my issue is that in the last few years,
Hmm.
there has been old made new. There hasn't been something that has come out just new. Like if you look at Hollywood movies, they have reinvented older movies, the older concept, the hero.
Yes.
There
The
are just
remakes of these
remakes
old
and
movies,
remakes,
yeah.
and music has remake with a little remix here and remix there. Fashion always every 30 years it cycles. Okay, we know that.
Yeah.
But that's I have that issue with because so much technology and we're so moving forward. Where is that new, like that brand spanking new? Where is that?
So I think in some ways they may be running out of things and running out of
Ideas.
talent and running out of organic sort of
Concepts.
creativity, right?
Right.
Concepts. But the reason why I like the revamps in many ways is because especially म्यूजिक के जो पुराने गाने अभी रिवैम्प होके आते हैं
Right.
मैंने ये नोटिस किया है कि जब ये आते हैं तो हमारे जो बच्चे हैं वो सुनते हैं
Mm-hmm,
and then that gives us an opportunity to have them listen to the original. Like I love
That's
having
true.
that conversation.
I never saw it that way. So
you know
that's true. That's
एक और
true.
चीज मुझे लगता है they are actually it's in a way they are giving or they're praising them they're celebrating those songs by putting their own colors and as she said कि because for the younger generation कितने सारे कोक स्टूडियो के गाने हैं
Beautiful
जो हम
गाने।
भूल चुके हैं हम सबने
हाँ।
सुने हुए हैं when it comes back we're like oh ये तो तब था ये तो but you know वो they brought it in a different color
That's true. I agree.
so
with
I
that,
think
yeah.
it's
और फिर हम
mixed.
वही गाने लगाते हैं दोबारा
हाँ।
सुनने के लिए and it brings back memories,
And I
right?
feel
Yeah.
It's just
With this remix and reviving old music and making it new for today's generation, I think it's also makes it more like everlasting. It's like more like content that never gets old. Because
Reinventing
it because we can share that experience with our kids,
Yeah.
but more it speaks a language that they understand or
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
music,
That's true,
the choice
yeah.
of
today's
music
age
is such
Yeah.
that they understand, and so we can say, "Oh, this was the song that I listened when I was younger, but now
Yeah.
I can listen to it again
with my son
yeah,
or with my
daughter,
daughter.
yes.
or with my
Yeah.
family or with my friends." So the one that I really liked recently was Misha Safi's song, which is called. Actually, it came in Hira Mandi as well. I'm just like forgetting the
that
name.
Indian show Netflix का जो
yeah,
show है
Netflix. So she revived it in a way that it looks. It's just so like it has trance in it. It has like you can literally like dance to the beat.
Did
Because
she do this? for this
मीशा
movie?
शफी का मैंने वो दश से तन्हाई भी सुना है उसने वो भी
I like that song.
renew
I
करा
like
है
that
right
one,
Yeah.
yes.
I've seen it
अच्छा,
live
I haven't
also
heard Dashti
oh
Tanhai.
this is
It's
amazing
beautiful.
really good.
Yeah.
ये जो अली जफर और
ईसा खेलवी
ईसा खेलवी का।
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा है
I've heard it.
It's good. It's very. It has beats and it's funky and it's nice. I mean, but then I listen to the old one and there's nothing.
then
like
that's the thing I like that you know you go back
Old is
to
gold.
Exactly. You
Old
go
is
right?
back and I haven't heard this in decades.
Decades,
But
right.
उसमें
तो
ये-
मैं गई मैंने सुना
Yeah.
है. There's nothing like the original. It's amazing, but they did a good job.
But then we only know what the original looked like.
But I make
you
my
know?
kids listen.
Yeah,
I
so
really
they
do
would
make
not
them
know
listen.
कि original कैसा था. So
They
this would
wouldn't
be
know.
their original
Yes,
now.
but
And
yeah
would be
this
theirs.
is
फिर वो
for them
हमें future generations को सुनाएंगे कि that was the original and we'll be like no
Yeah.
that's not the original.
That
There's one
was the-
more.
yeah.
There's
Yeah.
one more, yeah.
सदफ अब तुमने क्या याद करा दिया हमें आई थिंक इट्स टाइम 40s का एक और ये भी बड़ा फायदा है कि nobody is waiting for you nobody is dependent on you so we're gonna get the benefit of that and let's sneak out listen to some
Let's.
old music and have some chai
Oh
chai.
my God, I
Okay.
really
हाँ,
love
battery
chai.
हो
so
गई डिब्बी।
with that thank you so much and back to Sadaf
Please do like, subscribe, and comment on our channel. Be kind to yourself and to others. Until next time, bye.
bye
Bye.